Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 9th English Medium subject Science, chapter number 1. Chapter name is Matter in surrounding us. First we understand what is definition of matter. First, matter means a substance or a particles is contain fixed mass and occupy space. It means matter contain fixed mass and occupy space. It means it's contain volume. So, matter means fixed mass, substance contain fixed mass and occupy space. Occupy space means volume. Suppose marker, so marker contain fixed mass and occupy space. It means we have to put board on marker. So marker cover this area. So this is occupy space. It means volume of these markers. So for any substance, for example, our human bodies, book, textbook, these whiteboards, chalk, any substance contain mass and volume, so it's known as matter. So definition of matter is substance contain fixed mass and occupy space, so is known as matter. Now for example of matters, for example, pen, book, textbook, and so this substance all have occupied fixed mass and volume, so it's example of matter. For example, honesty, hates, loves, all these words not contain mass and volume, so this type of words is cannot included in matters, so we cannot say that this is a example of matter. So other example like earth, planet, sky, clouds, so all substance is an example of matter. Now more information about matters. So matters is fixed mass and volume is also contained, but in also teeny like particle. It means matter contain small particles. So matter is made of small particles. In detailed study of particles in our topic of this chapter. For example, wall. So wall is made by number of bricks. So particle means number of bricks, union of this number of bricks to create one walls. So wall is our matter and this all bricks is our particles. So all bricks is contain particles and this wall is our example of matter and is made of number of bricks. So all bricks is a particles of these metals. In similar way, example of chalk. So we have cut into chalk by small space. So small particles is our matter, small particles, and all chalks is example of matter. Now understand properties of matter by different example. So learn first property. Properties of matter. So first properties of matter is matter particles have a continuously moving matter particles having continuously moving another activity space between them. And third property, we understand attraction force. It means force between them. Force between them. Them means two particles. For example, first particles and second particle, third particles. So 1, 2, 3. All particles in a matter present is continuously moving. Third, second state, space between them. Space between them means 1 and 2 particles contain space with different state. Suppose solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. So different state contain different space, different continuously moving speed, and force between them. It means first particles, second particles attract force between each other in all state. So in similar way, all different state contain different attraction force. So first statement understand by one example. For example, take beaker and in beaker take some water. For example, 100 ml take water. Now in this water, stable condition, it means all water particles contain stable rest condition, no movement in beaker of water particle. Now after stabling water particles, add some ink. So any color ink drop. So after some time, all ink particles in water, and water, before water is colorless, but after adding ink, the water color is color forming. Suppose blue ink added in water, so water color is blue. In similar way, black, red, etc. color ink add in water, so water color will be changed. So conclusion of this activity, water particles and the ink particles. So water particles in a stable state, but ink particle add in water. So ink particles is moving one place to another place, and after some time continuously moving with all containers, all beakers, water particles. So water color will be changed. So in this activity we can say that matter particles having continuously moving. Now in solid state, liquid state and gaseous state, comparison of all state by moving particles. So in solid state, less movement, we can say average is medium, and gaseous have more. So solid state less movement, liquid state average or medium movement, and gaseous state there was more faster than all state. Now another second example, space between them. So same, take water, add some sugar particles, sugar cube in water. So when sugar add in water, after some time dissolving and sugar particles is disappear. So when sugar particles will disappear, so conclusion is space between water particles. It means here first water particle, second water particle, third water particles. Only for understanding, here in space between two particles, sugar cube is arranged between this space in similar way here. So space between two particles, sugar particles will arrange in them space. So in this activity we can say that space between them, it means space between these particles. In similar way, solid state contain less space between them, gaseous contain more, and liquid is also medium. It means more than solid but less than gaseous state. So highest space between particles is gaseous, and gaseous particle is moving continuously faster than liquid and solid state. Third, force between them. Force between them. So in these particles, for example, here 10 and water is continuously down, suppose. So we put our finger or hand in this step. So water and put this finger. So the water is cut into two parts. One side right off and then left off. And after sometimes means water is divided. And after some time, some distance covered. Once again, water is moving by one straight line. So in this activity, first water is continuously down on a same flow, but he put in finger in between this water flow. So water flow divided two parts, finger right side and left side. After some distance covered, the water flow in a once again one direction. So here water particles is moving and force between them. So attract to each other and combine form in one line. So force between them. So particles space between particles in gaseous state more. Therefore, force between gaseous state is less. Solid state has a minimum space between them. Between solid particles is very near to each other. So force between the solid state is very high. So solid state is high force, liquid is medium, and gaseous is less force between them. So in this lecture we have to study what is matter, definition of matter, information about matter, which substance can classify as matter, which substance is not classified matter. After then understanding properties of matter, first properties is continuously moving, second property space between them, and third property force between them. So prepare this. Now in next lecture we have to learn more properties of metals. Thank you friends.